Ona mathiete na mbere na gwikiaritana atakiri nganja kuri ngwataniro ya Azimio One Kenya Coalition na makiri utongoria wa ngwataniro ino hamwe na President William Samoei Ruto metikire kunanira njugu na kumenya na gutigirira ati ni mamenya niki kiracungiriria bururi gukorwo uteguthiuria kwagiriire makiaria igongoni-ini ria hamwe ria gutigirira ati ni mahumba athombe muthikabu wa kanitha wa Methodist Atongoria ni mugite ati bururi wa Kenya ni uthiite hathara ya kuigana ni manogetio ni mirurungano ino maya mokite riri nayo ngwataniro ino kana ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja arikia kwanira gucokereria kwa mirurungano muthi wa gatatu kiumia giukite ukiri uguo na Atongoria ya Dini ni mathiete na mbere na gwikiaritana kuria Kenya metikire kuhimbiria thayo itemine ria gutigirira ati bururi ndonorwo ni indorwo hamwe na andu kumania kana kumanagia na mirurungano ino.
We have watched Kenyans lose lives, property, and others hospitalized due to the demonstration. Country. As Kenyans, we need to embrace non-violence as we demand for better of living. We beseech Honorable Raila Odinga to embrace dialogue strategy for addressing grievances so as to promote reconciliation. We appeal to our President, His Excellency William Ruto, to carefully give attention to the needs of the people guided by God's wisdom founded in the Bible. On behalf of the Methodist Church in Kenya, I would like to send our condolences to the families that lost their loved ones in the demonstrations and pray for a speedy recovery and peace for all who have been injured and those who have lost livelihoods and properties.
Haya, acio ni Atongoria a Dini na atakiri ngajire ho